want to select? Yes, right? Clinical research is a job, right? And is any other? Right? Medical coding, that's also a job, right? So after education, yes, listen. After education, we have two parts, right? That is, first is job and one more is business. Yes or no? Is there any other? Are you agree with me? Yes. Right. We have a job is an opportunity, or after completion of your education, we have to do a job, or otherwise we have to start a business. Yes or no? Yes. Right. So in job, what is the actual consideration is happened? There is a very less risk. Yes or no? And before that is the first or second starting of your month, you will get a salary. Right? There is a less risk and salary will be on time. Right? But very less salary. Yes or no? Obviously, we can complete or fulfill all the requirements, but sometimes may not be fulfill all the requirements with a particular salary. Right? So this is one of the advantage that we are getting a salary on time. And whatever the timing period of the office is there, that is a somewhat flexible. Right? So that we can enjoy our personal life as well as our career. Yes or no? So for the office, we have to go at 7, 8 or 9. At a stipulated time will be there for the particular office, and we will reach to the home at a particular stipulated time. Right? So this is the advantage of a job. So can you tell me, is any richest person is there in the world or in the India by doing a job? No. Yes? Is there anyone? No. So who are the richest person in the India now? Is Ambani. What he is doing? Is doing any job? He is a software? No. He is a pharmacist? No, right? So he is starting his business. He is first started as a startup and he become an entrepreneur, and now he is the biggest magnate. Right? He is the biggest business magnate. Yes or no? So Ambani is the richest person in India and he is the leading business magnate in the India. Right? So what is his business? Any business of Ambani? Jio. Yeah, Jio, that is mobile networking. Any other? Yeah, Reliance. And whatever right? Any other? So some like Jio, Reliance, like mobile networking, and Reliance Industrial Limited, that is RIL, right? And what we can say, solar system. So whatever the materials are supplying for the generation of electricity, that is from the Ambani's company only, right? And so come to the world. Who is the richest person? Who is the richest person in the world? Tell me, Elon Musk. Yes or no? CEO of Tesla. So he is the owner of Twitter. Now we are calling as X. Yes or no? So whoever the richest persons are there, those are the business person only. Right? So job will give us stability but won't fulfill all our desires. Are you clear? So here not only the topic about rich or poor. If we are rich, we will fulfill ourselves, we will fulfill our desires as well as society desires. If the society is good, our country will be in a good position. Yes or no? Why? Because our India from last past years is like a developing country only. Don't know when will be it is a developed, right? And no other countries will stop that. India is still developing, so we have to wait for it. It not be happen like that, right? Yes or no? So you have to change your mindset to be a entrepreneurs, to start a startups, to start a business, right? So for this, whatever the supporting system is there, that supporting system for starting a business is called incubation. Are you clear? Right. So I am not dominating a business and not like declining a job. So these are not my words. So these are also the words of our Telangana our ex-IT minister, that is KTR sir. So what he said, is any idea? So our KTR sir said that, so Indian parents are raising their children, that may be your daughter, that may be your son, as a job seeker, not a business seeker. Right? Because of that mentality, our also became to do a job, not to show any interest in a business. Right? Until and unless the parents' minds won't change, right? And the children's mind, that is students' mind won't change, our India will be as a developing country only. Right? So you are the future generation. Just think about it twice and start a business after completion of your education. So for that, you just start from now only, think from now only, and create a new thing from now itself. Clear with this? Right. So comes to our first slide. That is yes. Right. So yes, incubation. So what is incubation? Right. So incubation management. Yes. Incubation management is nothing but a process, right? It is a sequence of process of thinking, right? Thinking, that is a planning, organizing, right? Organizing a business ideas or a supporting system to enhance the growth of startups, right? Whatever the supporting system are there, that supporting systems should be useful for the starting of a business, as well as it's also useful for the management. We have to manage the business for a longer period of time. It is not like that one day we are started and that day only we close. It's not like that, right? We have to manage the business. We have to maintain the business, right? So whatever the systems are required, that is called incubation. Clear? And the pre-incubation is nothing but it's a before ensuring the supporting system, whatever the possibilities or whatever the considerations are there, those are called pre-incubation. Right? So for the starting of any business, right? Any business, I am not saying which is related to the education. Right? Is any business, for the business, what will happen? Here we can see the production of products. Right? Here we can see a manufacturing of a products. Right? Or manufacturing of any recipes. Anything maybe, right? So in that what we want for the business or for the production of our products 5 M's. So what are 5 M's? You have any idea? Right? First is manpower. Without manpower we won't produce any product. Right? After man, money. Right? So after man, money, we want materials. Without money, we can't buy materials, right? And machines, right? So materials we want, methods we want, and machines we want. So with these 5 M's, we can prepare our products, right? So these are the 5 M's: manpower, money, material, machine, and methods. Clear with this? So these 5 M's we have to incorporate at one place. That is nothing but your incubation or supporting system. Clear with this? So as you can see the diagram, it is a small idea. That's whatever the bulb you are seeing, right? So on very small idea. From the small idea, we are utilizing to start a proper business, and we are maintaining it. It is one of the step-by-step process, right? We are not do a business at one day and we won't close, right? It is like a maintenance. We have to do a step-by-step process, right? First we will start like pilot plant scale, and after that like a large scale production, like right. So like that it will be a step-by-step process. Clear with this? Right. So in the incubation phase, yes, I will wind up within 2 minutes if you are be silent, right? So in the pre-incubation phase, there is nothing but before starting up a supporting system, whatever the idea generated, that is your pre-incubation, right? In that we have idea generation. So whatever the idea we got, we have to validate it, right? So whatever the idea is there, is that idea is correct or not? We have to validate it. That is your idea generation and validation. Next is market research research and feasibility. So if you want to prepare any product, right? So is that product have that particular demand in that market? We have to look at it. Clear with this? So the product is feasible to the market. So that we have to check in the pre-incubation phase, and business model we have to develop, and one more is training. That is skill development and training for the production of products. How we have to develop, that is step-by-step process we have to train. So that skill development person should be there in the pre-incubation phase. So if we see the flow chart, that is first idea generation, and whatever the idea generated, that we have to validate it, right? And we have to change in a business model, or we can sell the product, and we have to train properly. That will happen in the pre-incubation phase. So if we see the pre-incubation, what are the outcomes we can see means we can encourage the innovations, right? We can encourage innovation.